Hi everyone, welcome back. This is series 1G. Let's continue learning Kachin-Jinghpaw language in English with the scriptures which illustrate the attributes of God. I'm Miss Bogra Glatzgla, freelance language teacher. Thanks a lot for your kind subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Easy Learning Kachin Language. Yawng with your hkam kaja ga ngai the ra Ndai series 1G gabogo Chyum laika the ra Karai Kasang nsam kumla shingkang ni ngwi gabo tha Jinghpaw ga the English ga phe matut na kaja la ga. With this scripture, we are going to learn the word holy. Holy in Kachin-Jinghpaw, Chyoi bra I, Karai Kasang the seng I, mying. I will read the scripture. I used the English Bible, New King James Version. Exodus chapter 15, verse 11. Who is like you, O Lord, among the gods? Who is like you, glorious in holiness, fearful in praises, doing wonders? I use the Kachin Bible, Chyoi bra I Chyum laika. Now I'm going to read the Kachin Bible. Prumat wai laika, dogba shimanga, dogji shilangai. Yehowa prani ta nang zawn re I kadai wa ngana ata. Mauhpa ningsam madun let shakawn ging I hkrithpa lam shapraw na Chyoi bra I ta dang nga I wa nang zawn re I kadai nga ata. Okay, let's learn every part of the scripture. Exodus chapter 15, verse 11. Kachin-Jinghpaw, prumat wai laika, dogba shimanga, dogji shilangai. 15. Shimanga. 11. Shilangai. I'm going to read the part of the scripture. Who is like you? In Kachin-Jinghpaw, nang zawn re I kadai wa ngana ata. Nang zawn re I kadai nga ata. Who, kadai, like or like as. Zawn, zawn re I. You, nang. Let me read the scripture again. Who is like you? Nang zawn re I kadai wa ngana ata. Nang zawn re I kadai nga ata. Who is like you, O Lord, among the gods? In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Yehowa hpara tha nang zawn re I kadai wa ngana ata. Lord, Yehowa, madun. O Lord, Yehowa madun. G small letter, Gods, gods. Prani, G capital, God, God. Karai Kasang, among the gods. Prani tha. Let me read part of the scripture again. Who is like you, O Lord, among the gods? Yehowa hpara tha nang zawn re I kadai wa ngana ata. Who is like you, glorious in holiness? In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Chyoi bra I tha dan nga I wa nang zawn re I kadai nga ata. Glorious dan I, phung shingkang rong I, in holiness, Chyoi bra I tha, glorious in holiness, Chyoi pra ai tha dan khung nga ai wa. Holy, Chyoi pra ai. Karai Kasang the seng ai. Karai Kasang the seng ai mying. San pra ai. Fearful in praises in Kachin-Jinghpaw, shakon ging ai, hkrithpa lam shapraw na. Praise, shakon ai, fearful, hkrithpa lam. Fearful in praises, shakon ging ai, hkrithpa lam shapraw na. Let me read a part of the scripture again. Fearful in praises, shakon ging ai, hkrithpa lam shapraw na. Doing wonders. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Mauhpa ningsam madun le. Do, madun ai, glo ai, gunpai ai, wonder, Mauhpa ningsam, Mauhpa lam. Doing wonders, Mauhpa ningsam madun le. I'm going to read part of the scripture again. Doing wonders. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Mauhpa ningsam madun le. Okay, let's read the scripture together. Exodus chapter 15, verse 11. Who is like you, O Lord, among the gods? Who is like you, glorious in holiness, fearful in praises, doing wonders? Rumat wai laika, dogaba shimanga, dogaji shilangai. Yehowa hpara ni tha, nang zawn re ai, kadai wa ngana ata. Mauhpa ningsam madun le, shakon ging ai, hkrithpa lam shapraw na. Chyoi pra ai tha, dan khung nga ai wa, nang zawn re ai, kadai nga ata. I hope you enjoyed the series of learning language with the scriptures. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Please do join next series. Right, Jeju ba say yo, Yawng nsam, Karai Kasang shman yaw ga.